aurOps is an integrated delivery platform which helps organizations to rapidly deliver projects in an optimized way with an automated CI/CD process. It's a single platform to manage all your projects seamlessly. The platform can provide out-of-the-box integration with some of the most well-known world-standard tools such as Jira for project management, GitLab for source code versioning, Sonar for code quality and code audit, Jenkins for pipeline orchestration, Liquibase for database migration, and OAuth for security scans. We developed this platform keeping in mind the needs of different stakeholders at every stage in the SDLC process. And our goal of our platform is simple, is to provide traceability, transparency, automation, and provide compliance reports. The platform comes up with an enterprise LDAP integration. Now as a technology head, I'm logging into the platform and I can see all the projects running and get a top-level view simply by looking at the color tags. These colors can help me understand if the project is on track, off track, or overruns the schedule. To get a deeper understanding, let's see one of our projects. This is a one-stop solution to manage your projects seamlessly, and you can get project details, QA dashboards, release management, observability of your deployment, and reports which can be used by Scrum Masters, project managers, and management teams. aurOps supports agile methodologies, which means you can see releases and sprints that are planned, add view members based on the different roles within the organization, and based on their roles, give them access to the platform. Now, as a business analyst, I can quickly upload project documents such as requirements, user stories, and features all in one single click. The Scrum Master can create teams or Scrum within every project, and the platform comes with a unique pipeline marketplace. So whenever you need to onboard a service, you can just go and choose the technology version and customize the pipeline as per your requirement. The major benefit of this marketplace is the ability to generate code for deployment of service in different environments and in end-to-end pipeline stages. Now let's see as a developer, what are the benefits that it brings to me? For that, we'll take you through one of our ongoing projects. This particular project is a fleet management solution in the transport domain. As you can see, the project already has a few services, and we can see the development URL, the last working build, with dummy data here. The fleet management solution essentially is about tracking and tracing vehicles for delivering of goods, and here in the dashboard you can see vehicles, trips, and a maintenance tag. Now imagine the customer has a business requirement or a change request, and they want to quickly add a few analytic reports in the platform, such as profit, expenses, or performance of the trip. Now our business team has already added these user stories onto the platform. The Scrum Master needs to add the task, and for the same, they will go to the task management. They can add by simply writing create analytic reports in fleet management solution as a task, select the service, and add a due date and estimated efforts, as well as assign the same to the team. Now let's see the activities that a developer needs to do, and for that we need to understand our end-to-end process. The top part of the process is the CI process, containing code commit, build, unit test, and code audit. The bottom part is the CD process, where the actual build deployment activity happens along with running the integration test suites and generating some compliance reports. Out of the 18 blocks, only 4 blocks are manual, and we've been able to automate all of the other 14 blocks. Now let's come back to the platform and see the actual demo. So the developer will move the task from to do and to in progress. The platform will do some automation in the background and create the branch for the subtask. Also, the platform provides details about repository, branch-related information as comments for the subtask. The developer essentially gets 2 pre-built commands for committing the code, building it, and merging it. Build it is to get the report for the code quality, coverage for the developer, and if it's good enough, the developer can quickly raise a merge request by using the merger command. The provider can provide an automated branching strategy. Let's see how that looks like. The platform will automatically create subtasks and feature branches for the development branch, and production releases will be taken out from this master branch. The developer will then work on the task, and they can open the link in the given comment. They will work on the code and commit the code using the merge it command. coming back to the platform as soon as the developer commits the code. Under the release management dashboards, a subtask pipeline is triggered to fulfill the objective of raising a merge request. We can now see that the pipeline is successfully completed. Now let's go back to the subtask and see what the platform has added in the comments. Also, the tasks have been automatically moved to in review. A code quality report is generated and the link for the same is added in the subtask comment. Let's see the code report for this particular task. As the developer has already gone the code for the task and pushed the code, as a manager, now I have a merge request. After reviewing and feeling that the code quality report is good, I approve it. Now the platform automatically deploys this into the environment within 5 to 7 minutes. So no need to wait for setting up a new environment or resolving any dependencies. Let's wait as aurOps does its magic. We can now see that the pipeline is successful. Let's go back to the task management to see the progress of the task as the deployment is done. Let's refresh the same URL and all of a sudden you can see the new Analytics tab which is added with profit, expenses, and trip performance reports. Now let's see how this platform provides benefit in terms of transparency and compliance. For the Scrum Master, the platform provides a DSR and WSR report on their fingertips to track the bandwidth allocation, task roadmap, and delivery. Business platforms providing multiple reports with different insights such as lead time, cycle time reports, bandwidth utilization heat maps for resources and scrums, sprint burndowns, sprint delivery reports, cumulative utilization reports. It provides end-to-end transparency to all the actors in the SDLC. For release managers, it provides multiple other benefits such as traceability of the features in the production and promotion of the features on one click in different environments. The release manager can do an application performance monitoring on the features deployed. For this, we've done multiple integrations with some of the industry standard observability tools such as Grafana, Prometheus, ELK. The team can check the individual services memory, CPU utilization along with the number of requests, latency of this request, and concurrent requests and bandwidth utilization. So which means one can configure the dashboard for the application in the Grafana for health checks. For technology managers or developers, platform can provide compliance reports such as security scans where one can see the problem in terms of security and suggestions to resolve the same. There's also an integration of API compliance tool called the REST Maturity Model, which helps to standardize and maintain your API. We call this RMM, and this proprietary tool helps give a report for a top-level analysis and also highlights the problems within each individual API. As the platform supports containerized deployment, it is important that all the containers should get scanned for all vulnerabilities. For this, we have a continuous security stage integration within the automated CI/CD process. Continuous integration testing is provided within the process to get testing reports for every deployment that goes into production and helps ensure the continuous quality of the application. This is what aurOps is about.